So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Visual Programming. Yeah guys, before me representing the intro of the YouTube channel, I would like to convey you this video is on the NxtWave communication skills activity, and it is going to be the part 3 on this particular activity. I have done previously 2 videos. If you haven't checked it out, I will be representing the link in the description. Please do watch it out. And this video concept was deep driving through AI, and this video is going to be quite interesting. Please do watch the video until the end. And what are you waiting for? Let's jump into the video, guys. So yeah guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Visual Programming. Yeah guys, I have done previously the rise of generative AI, a comprehensive overview. So if you haven't watched that video on this particular generative AI, so please do watch that video. And today's topic was deep driving through generative AI, and we are going to be learning more deeper the rise of generative AI topic. If you haven't watched these particular videos, I'll be representing the link in the description. Please do watch it. And if you're new to my channel, I'm a YouTuber, Visual Programming, my YouTube channel name was. So all these videos are on the web development and Python programming. Currently I'm just telling about the backend development, which is known as the Python language. And if the content was good to you can just please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Visual Programming. Yeah guys, without me becoming late, I'll be starting the concept. So yeah guys, in this particular video we are going to use the tool which all of you know, which is nothing but the generative AI. Generative AI means ChatGPT. Yeah, before in the previous video I have explained you about the Chat Sonic. It is also a generative AI website in which you will be getting more information on regarding yesterday's match or whatever the stuff you just required. Day on activities which happened yesterday and newspaper, what all. You'll be getting each and everything in the Chat Sonic. But whereas coming to the Chat GPT, it can't be preloaded the information in this particular website. We don't know how much time they will be taking to just load the particular information. So in the future we may get many kind of updates in this particular Chat GPT. Yeah guys, so what I'm going to do is today's concept was deep driving through generative AI. So I'm going to explain you what is Chat GPT and what are the uses. I'm going to show you 5 case studies. In this particular 5 case studies we are going to plan what does Chat GPT mean to you? Conceptual understanding or content writing, project outline, time management and code optimization. So this video is going to be quite interesting. So let's start the video. So what is ChatGPT? So if you just if you are writing exam, so if you're having any kind of doubt, so okay, here exam means not in the online bits or some other. So if you're just reading for the exam, you're just having some kind of doubt. So if you just post your doubt in the YouTube, Chrome, you'll be getting such related websites, and you have to go to each and every website for the particular information which you require. So after gathering the all kind of information, you'll be writing down. Oh, am I right or wrong? But it's a time-taking process. Okay, Google is much more quite great, but whereas compared to Google, this ChatGPT is much more quite interesting, as because if you just ask that particular information, you will be getting that particular information only. So if you just ask for this kind of stuff, whatever I just told you in this notepad, I will be explaining you, don't worry. So if you just ask some other kind of questions or whatever it is, it will be giving you the clear-cut information about it. It will be not representing you any kind of website to just go and check it out, and it will be giving you clear and quite interesting matter about it. And there will be no kind of you just have to take off this particular topic, you just have to take off choose some particular topic. This kind of stuff will be not there. Chat GPT will be giving you the exact answer. So what I'm going to do is, this is about the Chat GPT, and most of you have known about the Chat GPT, as because in this days the Chat GPT is most popular. And yeah, what I'm going to do is, in this particular video I'm going to use 5 case studies, and in these 5 case studies what I'm going to convey you is, you can, by using this Chat GPT, you can you can learn conceptual understanding, content writing, project outline and content writing, time management and code optimization. These are all kind of 5 uses you are going to learn in this particular video by using the Chat GPT. So you all know how to download the Chat GPT. If you don't know, I'll be providing the link in the description of the Chat GPT particular website. So what you have to do is, you just have to go and log in, sign up, and it will be asking you the mail, name, your initial and email ID, and after giving your email ID, it will be asking you to the confirm and refresh the page, and you can use this ChatGPT bot as usual. And yeah guys, so in this particular video I'm going to show you ask the ChatGPT this particular kind of 5 case study questions. So let's not make this video more lengthier, so let's start. So first question what I'm just going to show is first one, this ChatGPT will be providing you conceptual understanding. So for example, I just written some kind of stuff out here, I'll be going to read. So are you struggling to understand any concept? So if you're just struggling to understand any kind of concept, you can just ask this ChatGPT to just get your particular topic simpler and easier. So what I'm going to do is read this particular question. What is gravity? Explain me with an example to a 10th class student. So I'm just asking the ChatGPT website, what is gravity, and explain me with a particular example. Explain to a 10th class student. So let's post this question in the ChatGPT website. Let's move on to the ChatGPT website. Don't worry, I'll be providing the link in the ChatGPT, and just make this video few back, and if you just want to, what are the details of what it is going to ask after opening that particular website, is going to ask login and email, this kind of stuff. So let's move on to the ChatGPT website. Yeah guys, the interface of the ChatGPT website will be like this. So if you haven't seen this particular ChatGPT website interface, this is how it is going to be. And what I'm going to do is, without making this video much lengthier, I'm going to copy paste the question. So yes, I just ask this particular question. Yeah guys, what I'm going to do is, I'm just click on this. I'm going to click on this particular chat one. So what I'm going to get, let's observe. So it was just explaining you what is the particular topic. Yeah. So I just asked the question that what is gravity, and explain with an example to a 10th class student. So it was giving you this particular information which you just required for the 10th class student. And not only you just okay, no problem, you're just a BTech student or whatever, intermediate, so whatever it is. So if you will be having siblings, right? So it will be, they will be studying, right, 10th class or whatever the class. So if you just they are just struggling for this particular kind of questions, so in order of making them more more tough for them, so let's use this particular ChatGPT question, and let's make that particular topic more understandable to the particular child. It may be your brother, sister, whoever it is. So by using this particular ChatGPT one, it is going to be the first case of it. So I just asked the question, what is gravity, and explain me with an example to a 10th class student. So it just gave information about the what is gravity and what all, and it just gave some kind of example out here. And so this is how the first case is going to be. And yeah guys, so guys, let's move on to the second case, which is nothing but the content writing. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to read this particular information. ChatGPT can help improve your writing skills by proofreading and suggesting ways to improve, and checking for grammar, vocabulary and style improvement. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to ask this particular question in the ChatGPT website. So let's move on to the ChatGPT website. Yeah guys, so I'm just going to, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to post this particular question out here. Yeah, I just posted this particular question out here. What I'm going to do is, I'm just going to ask, I'm just going to chat with this particular bot. So I just asked this particular question, and yeah, see, it was just explaining me. So what I just written out here was, called Blueberries AI is formidable opponent at 6-player no limit Texas Hold'em. Explain to me what this message in simple. Explain to me what this means in simple English. And it was explaining me, Blueberries is the name of the artificial intelligence that has designed to play a popular card game and design all kind of stuff. It is going to explain. So if you just want to read this particular information, I know most of you guys are more curious about this particular information. So what I'm going to do is, I'll be just posting this particular questions out in the description. So please do post those kind of questions in the ChatGPT, and you can just note it down if you just require. And let me move on to the third one. So from the first case, I just told you that ChatGPT, by using the ChatGPT, you can just use for conceptual understanding. And the second case, it is also used for the content writing. And in the third case, which is nothing but the project outline, by using this ChatGPT, you can just also do projects. Yeah, it's not a joke. You can just do any kind of projects by using this kind of ChatGPT websites. So I'm going to read this particular information. ChatGPT can help you to improve your writing skills by I'm going to read the third one. ChatGPT can offer ideas and recommendations based on the project requirements and help create a comprehensive and effective project outline. So I just written some particular question out here. So I am planning to undertake a project and build a small scale of solar powered water heater. Could you please provide me with a guidance on this process of creating it? So I'm just asking for some particular guidance to create this small scale solar powered water heater. So let's ask this particular question in ChatGPT. Yeah guys, I just posted this particular question out here and I'm going to click on this chat button. Yeah. Yes. So here is the result, guys. So certainly building a small scale solar powered water heater can be a great project to undertake. Here's the general purpose for creating one, and these all kind of steps it is going to generate. And if you just got the information to that 3 steps only, what you have to do is you just have to click on this stop generating, so it will be stopping of the process. So you got already 5 points. If you are really eager to build it, please do ask this ChatGPT website to just help your project. And yeah guys, by using this third tool, I just told you that, third case, I just told you that this ChatGPT website is also used for the project outline. And fourth one, yeah, this ChatGPT is also used for the time management. Yeah guys, it is also used for the time management. ChatGPT can help students to manage their time better by suggesting schedules and prioritizing tasks. So let's post some kind of question out here. So what I just written some kind of question was, I am a student and struggling to manage my time between college schedules and my extra co-curricular activities. My college timings are 9 a.m. Yeah, write an effective day schedule for me. So I'm going to post this particular question in this ChatGPT website, and let's see what is the answer it is going to give for me. Yes, let's move on to this particular website. Yeah, I'm going to post this question. Yeah, let me click on the enter, and see, it was giving you the particular information out here. So I'm a student and struggling, and I just read this question, right? So what it was telling to me that, sure, here's an example for the day schedule that may help you to manage your time between college schedules and extracurricular activities. So 6 you have to wake up, and 6:30 do some light exercise or stretching. So it was telling you some kind of schedule to just do, and just also giving you some particular note. Remember, this is just an example and can be modified to fit your specific needs and schedule. It's important to prioritize your task and make time for self-care, rest, relaxation, and don't forget to plan ahead and set realistic goals for yourself. Good luck. So it just gave you some particular information out here. And yeah guys, let's move on to the notepad out here. So in this particular one, I just told you that this ChatGPT is also used for time management, and I just mentioned you 4 cases. One is the conceptual understanding and content writing, project outline, time management, and the 5th but not the least, the most important priority one was nothing but the code optimization. So many of these BTech students or whatever the software developers will be using this particular code optimization, as because it is very important. If you just observe some particular codes, they will be more lengthy that the other person cannot understand the code what you have just written. So in such case, you just have to use this particular name and nothing but the code optimization. So yeah guys, by using this ChatGPT website also, you can just optimize your code. So what I'm going to tell you is, in this particular website, I just written some kind of code out here. So some kind of code, I don't want to specifically just tell about this particular code. So this is a Python code. If you just want to know about it more, so you can just observe my previous videos out here. I'm a YouTuber. I just told about the Python backend language, right? So you can just observe this kind of particular videos. And yeah, next video will be going to be the Python video. Don't worry. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy paste this information and ask the particular ChatGPT website. I'm just expecting a good answer from that particular website. Let's see. So what I have done was I just copied this particular code, and I'm going to paste this particular code out here, Control V, and let me click on enter. Yeah, it was just reading the full question out here. So I think this particular question has been not copied. Let's just copy the particular information right again. Yeah guys. Yes, let me move on to this particular one. Yeah, what you have to do was click on this stop generating and ask the question out here. Yes, this time the code has been copied neatly, and let me click on enter. So after it reads the code, it is going to give you the particular information about it. Yeah. So if you can just read out the particular information what it was giving. So it was just telling you the realistic ways in order of optimizing your code and making it easier to understand. And here the optimized version of your code is just written above, and you can just I mean, many of you students got, oh my god, I can just use this ChatGPT to just optimize my code. It was great. You can just do whatever you just wanted in the lab exams, right? Yeah, it is a great one. And so I just asked that I just gave one task about the particular optimization of code, and it just performed and it optimized the code, and it just gave me the particular result. So yeah guys, so what's my particular thing in this particular video was, I'm just telling you that in this ChatGPT you can just use many kind of things. So I just taken only 5 cases. You can just choose any kind of things. So I'm just told about the conceptual understanding, content writing, project outline, and time management, code optimization. So whatnot, you can just try whatever you just require, and I will be posting this particular ChatGPT link in the description. So you just have to go and log into the particular website, and you can just enjoy the particular website by just asking any kind of question out here. And yeah guys, this was the third video of the 10x communication skills activity part 3. So please do support me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Wishways Programming, and many kind of more informative videos will be coming into, will be posted in this particular YouTube channel. Thank you. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.